Today we're diving into making some seriously crispy KFC style chicken wings, paired with oven-baked Parmesan potatoes and a sensational eggplant sauce. Let's get started. For chicken wings you'll need tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of smoked paprika, half tablespoon of red chili flakes, 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, 40 grams of breadcrumbs and some flour to coat the wings. Grab 3 bowls, one with water, one with chicken wings and one with flour. First let's add the salt, garlic powder, paprika, chili flakes and tomato paste to the chicken wings. Now mix it all well and marinate for at least 30 minutes. When you're ready to cook, throw your chicken wings in the flour. Make sure they're completely coated. Then dip them in a bowl of water. This step is key to achieving that ultra crispy exterior. Now add panko breadcrumbs to the flour for an extra crunch factor. Throw your chicken wings back into the mixture and coat them again. In a big pot, add 1.5 liters of sunflower oil and bring it to a temperature of 160–170 degrees Celsius. Carefully place those coated wings into the hot oil and let them fry for about 8 minutes or until they're beautifully golden brown. Once they're done, carefully lift them out and let them rest on a paper towel. Listen to that, perfectly crispy chicken wings. Now let's switch our focus to the smoky paprika Parmesan potatoes. Dice up your potatoes into triangle slices. Give them a good soak in the water with a tablespoon of salt for 20 minutes. That's going to draw out excess moisture for ultimate crispiness. Drain and pat them dry, then back into the bowl. Add a tablespoon of smoked paprika, a tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of oregano, 40 grams of panko breadcrumbs, and 40 grams of grated Parmesan. Drizzle on some olive oil and mix it all up. Transfer them onto a baking dish and pop them into a preheated 180 degrees Celsius oven for 20 minutes. The result? Crispy, smoky perfection. Now it's sauce time. Dice up 1 bell pepper. Take 1 eggplant and remove some of the skin. It will be easier to slice it into cubes. Then dice 1 red onion. Now let's dice 1 tomato. One chili pepper for a little bit of heat. And mince 3 cloves of garlic. In a pan, sauté the veggies in olive oil for 5 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Add 40 grams of Worcestershire sauce and cook for 3 more minutes until softened. Transfer everything into a blender, add a couple of tablespoons of water and blend until smooth. Alright, it's time to bring it all together. Dice up some fresh green onions. Take a couple of basil leaves and chop them finely. Plate your dish with vibrant roasted red pepper eggplant sauce at the center. Arrange those baked potatoes on one side and KFC style chicken wings on the other. Now shower it all with the diced green onions and basil. So here it is, the crispy chicken wings, potatoes covered in Parmesan and an amazing eggplant sauce. Look at that beauty! Feel free to share your favorite type of chicken wings in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button to support my channel, and stay tuned for more exciting recipes I'll be releasing in the near future.